Another drawer, another watch. At first I thought this was a lady's watch, it's so dainty. And then it dawned on me, this is probably my father's World War II service watch. So I dug out some old photos from his cadet training days, and hard to tell. Maybe. I'm gonna say yeah, probably. Check this out. The Wyler case measures 32 millimeters, which is tiny by today's standards, but was pretty much the norm in the 30s and 40s. But it's a 24 millimeter dial up against the chunky bezel that really makes this look like a toy. Ironically, it seems the greatest generation wore the tiniest watches. The dial is not pretty. The chapter ring is badly degraded on the right side, and it seems that the minute hand got knocked out of parallel and was scraping on the printing on that low side. We'll just call it aggressive patina. So what movement do we have here? Well, the base plate is stamped as an AS 984, but a little detective work reveals that this movement is actually probably the AS 1007. It's a modified 984, but with sweep seconds instead of a small second hand. They were both in production around 1940, so this watch is most likely 80 years old. But these Adolf Schild movements are pretty robust, and this one's already showing some signs of life, so I'm pretty confident of a successful restoration, providing I don't break anything too vital.
This blue eye perceives all things conjoined. The past, the future, and the present. Everything flows, and all is connected. This eye is not merely seeing reality, it is touching the truth. Nothing to fear.
All right, let's get these parts in the machine. Everything's clean, so let's reassemble it.
Nothing like a good smoke and a cup of coffee. You know, some men got the craving for gold and silver. Others need lots of land with herds of cattle. And there's those that got the weakness for whiskey and for women. When you boil it all down, what does a man really need? Just a smoke and a cup of coffee.
always a thrill to see an old watch ticking away like a champ after all that time. Today is D-Day and I'm wearing Dad's Wyler in his memory. I relumed the hands because they looked pretty ratty, but I left the numerals alone. And it's running in about plus or minus 10 seconds a day, but with a very unhealthy 2.5 millisecond beat error, which is due to the non-concentric terminal curve of the hairspring, so it's bunching up on every vibration. The thing is, I'm brick-fingered when it comes to massaging balance springs. I just don't possess those skills, so I'll deal with this at a later date. I'm just happy this World War II veteran still has a heartbeat, however erratic. Thanks for your service, Dad, and thanks for your service watch. And thanks to all you for watching me service my dad's service watch. So weird.